Hey guys, today I have a super quick video, and it's basically because the second recording got messed up and I wasn't able to use it, but this layout literally maybe 20-30 minutes. And I'm also kind of playing catch up with editing and stuff, so if you're confused as to why, like if you're keeping track of process video numbers, this is 104, but 105 is already up. It's because I'm a mess and I'm trying to get things going. I created this layout during an online crop, and the challenge was to use 6x6 pads. So I grabbed this collage that I had already ordered, and this was supposed to be my February monthly celebrations video, but I wasn't paying attention and it got lumped into my January layouts. So I had to kind of rethink what I was going to do for monthly celebrations for February. But one of the girls posted a challenge to use 6x6 pads on your layout. So I pulled a sketch from Scrapbook Generation. It was actually a double page sketch, but it was part of a bundle. I don't believe it was from either of the classes. I think it was a bundle of 6x6 style sketches, and I just kind of took the left page, and where they had their photo collage, I just changed that up to mine, which is much bigger. And I'm basically just going to take this full-size 6x6 sheet that has a lot of decoration already on it, and then I picked two patterns that I liked to go with it, and I'm basically just going to trim them to where all three of them sort of add up to the width of my photo collage, and I want to say it's a little over 10 inches. I can't think of which Carrie Bradford photo collage that is, but I mean, this was the basis of my entire layout. And while I was doing this, I had remembered that I had a Boy Crazy Scrapbook Generation kit that I had started the layouts. It's now in my UFO pile. Like, I have journaling that I need to finish, and I got lucky that there was some leftover 12-inch scraps, so I'm going to use those for some border strips. And I think there might have even been a 12-inch sticker on the sticker sheet. But I chose to just keep everything really simple. I typed up my journaling, I printed it on that very decorated 6x6 sheet, and then I am just going to use some leftover stickers from that kit that I had and some alphabets to sort of spell out the aquarium that we went to. If you ever come to Vegas, don't spend your money going to SeaQuest. It's just, especially if you live somewhere that actually has an aquarium, like, go do something more Vegas themed. We went because my husband had done some work for them and had gotten a family pass, so we went to go check it out. And I don't know if it was just because it was when they first opened or what the deal was. I personally just wasn't impressed, and I kind of felt like for what it would have been had we paid, it just didn't mesh well with me. I'm glad we went. It was kind of a fun outing, but we weren't there very long because I don't know, there wasn't a whole lot to look at. So, and because I had my phone with me, I just kind of took a little bit of photos while we were there. So they're not great photos, and I've said before, my solution to that is to just do a photo collage. So again, this is where the clip sort of died out. So you can see I just used a mix of alphabets, I date stamped it, and then I just used some leftover stickers from a Boy Crazy kit, like I said, that I had already started. I knew that all of the embellishing on those was done, so any of the extra paper or stickers was sort of free for me to go ahead and use up. So as always, thanks for stopping by, and I will see you guys soon with another video.